Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to CPen only ways. Open Trust Wallet, unlock it, and navigate to the D-App browser or Wallet Connect option. Visit the CPen site or app and choose Connect Wallet, then pick Wallet Connect or the Trust Wallet option. Approve the connection prompt in Trust Wallet and confirm any needed signatures. If a network switch appears, accept it carefully and double-check the address you are connecting. Before connecting to CPen, update Trust Wallet and review your security basics in a calm way. Make sure your recovery phrase is stored offline and never entered into a website. Use a small test transaction to confirm the wallet connection and network settings. Check that the connected address matches your expected account and that no unexpected permissions are requested. If anything feels off, cancel and troubleshoot rather than proceeding hastily. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Consider Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort during crypto sessions. They feel great while you manage wallets and keep you focused when troubleshooting connections. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick a pair you like, and now let's get back to the video. When you reach CPen, choose Connect Wallet and then Wallet Connect for the smoothest path to Trust Wallet. Scan the QR code or follow the deep link to open Trust Wallet and tap Approve to connect. Review any requested permissions and sign only necessary messages or transactions. Confirm transaction details in Trust Wallet, including amounts and destination addresses. After a successful connection, refresh CPen to see your wallet balance and available actions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.